Sometimes you have to risk life and limb in a snowstorm to do Harbor Freight projects. Today, we're going to see if we can find the mysterious... There's somebody pulling around in front of me. I want to make sure they didn't hit me. The elusive axe, the Harbor Freight axe. Do they have it? And if they do, what can we do with it? How can we customize it? You've seen the videos where they customize the Harbor Freight axe or whatever. We're going to take that a notch further and see if we could push its limits, push it to the edge, turn this into a one-of-a-kind piece. I've ventured out in a Michigan snowstorm. I got an advisory warning on my car that said, winter warning, death immediate, something, imminent. I don't know what it said. I don't pay attention to those. But we're at Harbor Freight, and we're going to see if we can find the elusive axe and turn it into something nice. So stick around. Let's see how this works. Thank you, sir. Getting closer. Getting closer. Well, they have the $3.99 deal. How do we go wrong with that? Oh, that's the member price. That's not the sale. Look at that little guy. Yes. We found it. Plus they have this. Looks a little rough. What the hell is this? When do they start doing that?
More and more like good old fashioned good time.
Mission success. Let me ask you a question. How many axes do you really need? I bought 4 axes, hatchets, and 1 large axe. I've been here before. I've been to a couple of them, and actually they're sporadic whether or not they have them, so they're a popular item. My hands were full, but I asked the clerk, who was the manager at Harbor Freight, do they sell a lot of these? He said, yeah. They just put them out this morning, early this morning. They get a delivery once a week. I didn't know that. They get it once a week, and there's a team at 4 o'clock. There's a team that shows up at 4 a.m. to take things off of the truck, to put them in the back room, to organize them. And then he was telling me the system in which they put things out. So they have, I think he said a caller. So they call out on the shelf how many items they need, and they put them on the carts in the back, and they bring them out and they start putting them out. And it was busy in there with employees putting out stuff. thank goodness I made it to the right time where the axes were just being put out on the shelf, or got put out sometime early this morning. It's now 10 a.m. So that's cool. So I made it, got it, and now it's sleeting outside. The weather's getting worse. I put the axes in a spot where hopefully they won't fly around if there's ever, heaven forbid, an accident, but it's sleeting. It's went from snow to sleet, and it's very slippery. Almost fell carrying the stupid axes to my truck. But this is what I'm looking at right now. Sleet. Wet sleet. Maybe time to put it in four-wheel drive. Now we're safe. We safe? We're safe.